People believe the Liabilitians originated from an old French and Latin word meaning to bind or to tap, and originally referred to being legally bound or obligated. The modern meaning of this word is now financial or legal obligation, which has now become liability. Liability is just a fancy word for debt. Debt refers to something that is owned, such as an obligation to pay money back for goods or services to another party. Liability are goods, services, or money owned to individuals, corporation, or a country that takes money away from your pocket. Now, let me keep this even more simpler. Liability or debts are something that you owe people that takes money away from your pocket. This could be either short term or it could be long term.